कर लो तो मैं बना लूंगी, मेरे माइक में तो आवाज ही नहीं जाती बाहर की। अल्लाह करे यार।
चाची धीरे धीरे, चाची धीरे धीरे. Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Achal, and today in this video I'm gonna tell you the use of should. As you all know that should is the modal verb which is very useful in daily life. So without wasting time, let's get started. There are different kind of thing where we should use should. First is advice. If you're giving advice to someone, then you use should. When you go out, chahiye in last. But this is not the right thing. Because mujhe car chahiye. So we don't use I should car. No, it's a wrong thing. We use here I want car. So when you get chahiye shine, but not in the sense of advice, so we don't use should over here. Remember this thing. Okay? When you want advice and when you have to give advice to someone, so we use should. For example, आपको पानी ज़्यादा पीना चाहिए. You should drink more water. You should drink more water. Repeat after me. Yes. आपको सुबह जल्दी उठना चाहिए. You should wake up early in the morning. You are giving advice to someone. आपको ऐसा करना चाहिए. Right? You should wake up early in the morning. Yes. आपको regularly study करनी चाहिए. You should study regularly. You should study regularly. आपको hard work करना चाहिए. You should do hard work. You should do hard work. आपको वहाँ जाना चाहिए. You should go there. You should go there. Yes. आपको इंग्लिश की प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए. You should practice English. You should practice English. आपको रोज सुबह एक्सरसाइज करनी चाहिए. You should exercise daily in the morning. You should exercise daily in the morning. Perfect. So this is how you can use should when you have to give advice. The second one is duty and obligation. It is not very strong, but yeah, it is necessary to do. It's obligation means ये आपका कर्तव्य है कि आप ऐसा करो. For example, आपको अपना काम समय पर ख़त्म करना चाहिए. You should complete your work on time. You should complete your work on time. It is your duty. आपको अपने बड़ों की रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए. You should respect your elder. You should respect your elder. आपको रूल्स फॉलो करनी चाहिए. You should follow the rules. You should follow the rules. आपको आपका होमवर्क टाइम पे फिनिश करना चाहिए. You should finish your homework on time. You should finish your homework on time. आपको ज़रूरतमंदों की मदद करनी चाहिए. You should help the people in need. You should help the people in need. You should protect the environment. You should protect the environment. So this is how you can use should when it is your duty or obligation to do this. I think you got it. The third thing is expectation. The third thing is expectations. Expectation means संभावना या उम्मीद. Right? For example, train को जल्दी आना चाहिए. Train should arrive soon. The train should arrive soon. Yes. उसे अभी तक यहाँ होना चाहिए था. He should be here by now. He should be here by now. Yes. इस प्लान को वर्क करना चाहिए. This plan should work. This plan should work. कल तक रिजल्ट आ जाना चाहिए. The result should come tomorrow. The results should come tomorrow. Yes. The fourth part is regret or past mistake. When you have to talk about past mistake or regret, you have to use should have plus verb third form. For example, तुम्हें सच बोलना चाहिए था. You should have told the truth. You should have told the truth. तुम्हें वहाँ जाना चाहिए था. You should have gone there. You should have gone there. Yes. तुम्हें उसकी बात सुननी चाहिए थी. You should have listened his word. You should have listened his word. तुम्हें उस पर ट्रस्ट करना चाहिए था. You should have trusted on him. You should have trusted on him. मुझे इंग्लिश की प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए थी. I should have practiced English. मुझे मेहनत कर लेनी चाहिए थी. I should have worked hard. I should have worked hard. This is how you can use should have plus verb third form when you have to show past mistakes or regret. The fifth thing is opinion. When राय देना, then you have to use should. For example, हमें एक दूसरे को support करना चाहिए. We should support each other. We should support each other. I think तुम्हें इंग्लिश सीखनी चाहिए. You should learn English. I think you should learn English. In my opinion, you should learn English. हमें टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. We shouldn't waste our time. We shouldn't waste our time. हमें टाइम की रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए. We should respect time. We should respect time. हमें चुप रहना चाहिए. You should stay silent. You should stay silent. If you have to give your opinion, then you have to use should. The last but not the least thing is nobody will tell you is when you find the sound of in the last means जाऊँ खाऊँ करूँ बोलूँ, then you have to use should. For example, मैं क्या करूँ? What should I do? मैं कहाँ जाऊँ? Where should I go? Fourth, interrogative plus negative. Shouldn't I work hard? Shouldn't I work hard? WH word. Why should I work hard? Why should I work hard? WH plus negative. Why shouldn't I work hard? Why shouldn't I work hard? Last is who. Who should work hard? Who should work hard? So let's make together. You should work hard. You shouldn't work hard. Should I work hard? Shouldn't I work hard? Why should I work hard? Why shouldn't I work hard? Who should work hard? Like this you have to make sentences. I'll give you sentences and you have to repeat after me. Okay? तुम्हें कॉलेज जाना चाहिए. You should go to college. You shouldn't go to college. When you're asking, so you have to change the subject. Like, should I go to college? Shouldn't I go to college? Why should I go to college? Why shouldn't I go to college? Who should go to college? Like this, you have to make 7 sentences of one sentence. You should obey your elders. You shouldn't obey your elders. I will not give you advice. You shouldn't obey your elders because you should obey your elders. You shouldn't obey your elders. Should I obey my elders? Should I obey my elders? Shouldn't I obey my elders? Why should I obey my elders? Why shouldn't I obey my elders? Who should obey their elders? Who should obey their elders? This is how you can make 7 sentences of each sentence for more practice. So if you want, I'll definitely make this kind of video and I'll make you practice more and more of every pattern. हमें सच बोलना चाहिए. You should tell the truth. You should tell the truth. You shouldn't tell the truth. Should I tell the truth? Shouldn't I tell the truth? Why should I tell the truth? Why shouldn't I tell the truth? Who should tell the truth? Like this. Like, repeat after me. You should tell the truth. You shouldn't tell the truth. Should I tell the truth? Shouldn't I tell the truth? Why should I tell the truth? Why shouldn't I tell the truth? Who should tell the truth? आपको rules follow करने चाहिए. You should follow the rules. You shouldn't follow the rules. Should I follow the rules? Shouldn't I follow the rules? Why should I follow the rules? Why shouldn't I follow the rules? Who should follow the rules? तुम्हें उससे बात करनी चाहिए. You should talk to him. You shouldn't talk to him. Should I talk to him? Shouldn't I talk to him? Why should I talk to him? Why shouldn't I talk to him? Who should talk to him? Right? Repeat after me. You should talk to him. You shouldn't talk to him. Should I talk to him? Shouldn't I talk to him? Why should I talk to him? Why shouldn't I talk to him? Who should talk to him? Let's make sentence of WH word. तो कहाँ जाना चाहिए? Where should I go? मुझे किससे बात करनी चाहिए? Whom should I talk? मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? What should I do? मुझे कैसे करना चाहिए? How should I do? So this is how you can use should. Just make one sentence of each things and let me know in the comment the use of should. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा मैं ये कैसे करूँ? How do we say it in English? Let me know in the comment. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked this video, and if you find this video helpful, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.